Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 140 of Building the Back to the Future DeLorean. Let's have a look. We're working on the box again this time. We've got, is it just say time circuits? Just time circuits. But we've got some tubes to fit, as well as similar things to we did last time. So we'll get on with that momentarily. Got to build another little box, put that on the side of the box, and then connect up some pipes and tubes and hoses. And then fit on some more of these valve things down the side there. Nice and easy. We'll get that done in no time at all. Continuing looking at Zemeckis on TV. Medal of Honor. What? Hey? Sorry. A drama documentary series, right? I'm going to say it's not the computer game. And it didn't get a Medal of Honor. But yeah, there we go. Rehydrated pizza. Yeah, not quite sure that that's a thing or it ever will be a thing. But it might be. Read about it if you like. Next time, yes, we've got another sleeper to put in, so we'll be doing that soon. This is the next delivery pack. I haven't got it as yet, so hopefully it will come in time for me to provide it for you next week, but we'll see. And then we're still looking at Zemeckis on TV. So let's get back to the box. Okay, the parts we've got at the moment. We're starting with our new little box. We're going to build some stuff around that. What are we building around that? First of all, we are not actually using that. We are making a little bracket, not with that, with that. There we go. Oh, that there that's trying to escape. That will fit in there like that, keyed in place, so it'll only go one way round. And that is going on the top of the box. Again, it's got a peg, so it will only go one way round. We're going to put an AP screw through that to hold that in place. I shall do that momentarily, but first of all we're going to attach this piece through there as well, and again another AP screw will hold that in place. That doesn't matter which way up that goes. And the final thing we're going to attach to this doesn't need a screw, so let's get the two screws in there. AP, there we go, paper out, two screws out. Keep those for probably in a little while later. One screw up through there into that tube that I've just fitted. There we go, that will hold that nice and secure. Tighten that up a touch more. Sure it lines up before you tighten things up. There we go, that's that. And the other AP screw goes through to hold that piece in place. Along there, like that. Okay, then we can fit, looks like that piece over that piece. Does that matter which way round? It doesn't appear to have any cutouts or anything on there, so no. Just rotate it and make sure it doesn't have a sweet spot. That feels like that can go. Oh, it's got a label on that side. It say which way up that label should be, maybe. Put it that way around. That looks like the right way round for that. So there we go, that's that. This box then fits onto our main box. It goes into this corner over here with the tube coming out over the end. A bit like that. And we've got two more AP screws to hold that in place. Right. Yeah, I'll attach that behind the scenes. Fairly boring and obvious. So after that, we've got to put some tubes in place. That's nice and easy. And then we've got to attach, I'll put the tubes in afterwards when I've got this attached. Right, let's move that out of the way for now. We're going to add some bits to our big box over here. we've got two of these little fire extinguisher type looking things. They will go into those two holes, and that one there, and that one there. Probably should have done that one first because it's a little bit harder to get to that one. Not really. Okay, get those lined up nicely. That's those. Then I need to put the other two in the other two. Good there. That one and that one. All good stuff. Then we need to make up onto there the same as we did before with the little plugs in the bottom and things. So I should do that behind the scenes. That's that, and that. That's easy. What about the other bit? We haven't done anything with that yet. Why have I not done anything with that yet? Another little label thing. Let me double check. That probably goes on the box before I put it in place. That one there. Yes, the box. Yes, I saw it and then thought I'll go back and do that, and then didn't. This goes onto the top. Next to that, under there. It will go on there. A bit like that. It'll only go the other way around because these are not in the center. And they're actually different size holes as well, so you can't even try and get it the wrong way around. Yeah, that one's bigger than the other, so that goes there, and that one goes there. Right, that's that. So let's get the box attached. I'll build this up, and then we'll see about putting the tubes where the tubes need to go. Right, that's that all assembled, except for the tubes. And looking at where the tubes need to go, it's this bit. The bit that I had and didn't know where it was going to go, and I checked the instructions and couldn't see it being installed. But now we know where it goes. I was going to say we're going to keep that for safe for another time. But this bit goes out the bag. It doesn't come out the bag. It does come out the bag at some point. There we go. Right next to the light down there. So there is position for that to go into. So I've got to get that lined up and put in there. Eventually, I will. I'll get that lined up and put in there. And then on this, we have positions for 3 tubes. Get it the right way around. We've got more than 3 on. No, can't quite tell how many tube pipes we've got on there. It looks like there's going to be more than 3. So yeah, these go. 2 of them go up into a hole up there. That on that side. There you go. You've got 2 tubes that will come out of there. One there and one next to it, and the 3rd tube goes into the top of there though. One there. No, out the big tube at the top of that. So yes, I shall get that connected up and get those, the other ends of those all plugged into it, and that will be that. So yeah, that'll do for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon for more. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.